Alright, today I have the KSSA wooden cups, I guess, from the ISSF World Championship. And I'm gonna open them up, see how they are. Alright, here they are. It's pretty cool. They actually smell really nice. Yep, so the only reason I bought these is because they were made out of wood. So here they are. They feel quite heavy. Oh, there's 13 of them. They don't slide very well either. That's not good. Hopefully that goes away when I break them in. Alright, here we go. Wow. That was my very first cycle with them. That's crazy. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna break these in some more and try and get like some fast times. Alright, now I want to go for a 1.3. There we go. I already broke it. Dude, what the hell? Dude, these break so easily. Wow. Man, if only that was a few seconds slower. My first 5 with them. That was really sloppy. Dude, I'm just like slowing down so much. Oh my god, that was ridiculous. Oh my god. That was the sloppiest cycle I've ever done. Finally, man. Oh my god. Alright, so I've used these KSSA ISSF World Championship cups for about an hour. And my first initial thought is that they are really, really heavy. So I have a scale here. I'm going to weigh one set of Speed Stacks 12 cups, and they weigh 8.6 ounces. I believe that, yeah. So then I'm going to weigh this set. It's 12 of these. It's 11.1, so quite a significant weight difference. Yeah. And another thought I had was they are just really hard to slide on the mat. They did get a little better with use, but it's not much better. The down stacks are really rough, especially on the 6s, and the 110-1 down stack, really, really rough. And the worst of them all is that they break really easily. This was just like, this broke because it fell on the it fell off the table on the floor. Like there, and like also this happens really easily too, just little cracks on the top. That's just because they don't have reinforcements on the inside, and also the material that they're made out of. So, I mean, they're fun to use. I really like the concept of them, but they just break really easily, really heavy. If you want to buy them, you can. Like, I think they're fun, but I don't think they're really worth the $40 plus shipping price tag. But yeah, that's my first thoughts.